Hello and welcome to this workshop for families and parents to introduce you to Play to Grow Happy program. We want to promote and talk about playing in childhood. I am Virginia Tano-Vasanovich, psychomotor therapist and child life specialist, and today we are going to learn, share, and practice about why play is the key to a happy and healthy development. First, we are going to talk about the program. Second, we will learn about the importance of playing in early childhood. Why do children need to play? Third, I will introduce you in a new app. Four, we will have a reflection time with a short video. And 5, we will practice. Yes, we will give you some advice. We will show examples or ideas to play with your children. So, welcome and let's go to play. So, Play to Grow Happy campaign helps parents and families how to organize and dedicate efficient and significant moments to playing with children under 5. This program is looking for 2023 that all children of Argentina under 5 spend quality time playing with their parents or significant adults. Healthcare professionals can listen to families' feelings and concerns, provide training, talk, workshop like this to teach about the importance of playing and healthy early childhood development, not only for healthcare professionals but also for parents and families like this workshop. And also government health officials build childhood development centers and guarantee the creation of public health policies to protect the children's right to play. This is the most important part of the program. As you see, we are all involved in this. We need all hands. So now, why do children need to play? What do you think? Francesco Tonucci is an educational specialist who said all the most important learnings in life are done by playing. And we could add by playing in early childhood. The first 5 years of life are important because during these early years of life, the architecture of the brain goes through rapid transformations. The brain develops faster during these years than during a lifetime. It creates many new neural connections every second. Imagine that. But they need your help. Children need our help. Your children need to connect, talk, and play. The National Scientific Council on the Developing Child explained that early experiences create a foundation for lifelong learning, behavior, and both physical and mental health. A strong foundation in the early years increases the probabilities of positive outcomes, and a weak foundation increases the odds of later difficulties. So, what can we do? What do you think about this? What can we do? It's simple. We can play. Just play. Play with your child 30 minutes every day to guarantee a healthy and happy development. To play is a relevant factor that contribute to those early experiences of healthy development. Play is essential. To play is essential to the social, emotional, cognitive, physical well-being of children. Um, beginning in early childhood. It allows children to develop creativity and imagination, prepare the ground for producing subtle and nuanced responses to novel and unpredictable environments, maintain resilience and the ability to deal with troubles. It allows children to develop physical, cognitive, and emotional strength. Because this significant play, especially with mom and or dad, give a safe feeling that is the foundation of healthy development. Also, because by playing, children explore, learn, and understand the environment. Also, because play is the foundation of all learnings and abilities for the whole life. In a supportive environment, by play, children learn to identify, express, and manage their emotions. So now that we know why play is important and why play is so important, is the key for childhood development, we are going to to introduce you in some tools that will help you. You are not alone in this path. So first, you can look for information on our website, that is playtogrowhappy.com. There you will find all the information about the program, activities, videos, podcasts, all the information. And then we want to present you the Play to Grow Happy. So we will show a prototype. The final app will be ready for next year. It will help you to get some ideas for activities and games. You could choose, for example, you can enter and then you can go here. It says juegos in Spanish, but it's plays, it's games. So you can click here. You could choose an activity any activity according to the age or the time that you have, or different categories such as activities for the whole families or activities for whole day. So I will pick for age. So here you can choose you can choose the range of age of your children, and then here you can choose the activity. You will find the name of the activity and the materials and how you can play this activity. And also you will have a bottom where you can find places where you can buy or you can get the material for the games. So this is this application will help you to optimize your time and spend an important time playing together with your children. So now I would like to share a short video. I will send you this video so you can see this. You can see and write down where, and I want you that you write an answer for this question. What will it change? When you see the video, think about it. What will I change? Okay. So the video was really beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed this and write the answer for that question. Maybe you can put the answer to that question in a place that where you can see every day. So to remember what will we change and how we will help our children. So for the end, I want to share this. Of all the environmental factors that significantly influence development in the first years of a child's life, there is one that should be considered an essential condition in the immunization process. This factor is love. Playing with kids, playing with your children is the best way to demonstrate and make them feel our love for them. So please take the necessary time to play with your kids. Now, we will send you the link for the app, and I invite you to pick up an idea to play with your children. So let's go to play. And thanks for your participation. Thank you.